You're acting like a chef?
Yes.
I think you're acting like a chef. What are you doing?
I'm going to make them.
Mm-hmm. What are you going to make with those?
What?
What are you going to make with those tomatoes?
Daddy? That's a funny thing.
Luke, are you helping?
Cut it. Ah, that was good.
So how many pounds of tomatoes do we get again?
7.
7 pounds of tomatoes.
Lower than we had the other time.
Less than we had last time, you think?
8. That was 8 pounds.
That was 8 pounds, that's right. Oh, did you lose one, Luke? Did it fall on the floor? We'll wash it off. Yeah, it's on the floor. Are you cutting them too? We'll find it. We'll pick it up.
I'm not going to do the tomatoes.
You're not? I thought you weren't going to do the onions.
I'm not going to do the tomatoes.
No.
Can I do something else and cut in tomatoes?
I'm watching Maddie's technique. She has such good technique. Such concentration.
Dada! Daddy! Daddy!
Wave bye.